Salam sejahtera and good afternoon. My name is Kelvin Santana Anthony. My matrix number is 10 DIT4B 1155. So myself and my group will be presenting about PBA presentation for web application development. So my part in presenting, which is project scope and tools. So a project scope for our FitMeal Hub web application is a responsive web application allowing users to browse curated healthy meal packages, view nutritional promotion, and place order through a dynamic logical driven interface. So the core features, which is the interactive carousel in a dynamic order calculation system, form validation, and responsive FAQ section. So I've provided a few screenshots regarding our pages we have created to give a proper elaboration for it. So coming to the hero section, where it is one of the core features in our homepage, which is divided a hero section for attention grabbing area for the rest of the sites. So the hero section are able to visuals such as background image, illustration, or video to enforce the brand message. It also includes a subheadline or a supporting text that provides a short description adding a context and a value. Next, which is our carousel, it provides a control with previous and next arrows, and also the carousel allow users to move between slides. These controls can be customized or hidden depending the design needs. So the carousel also implemented to allow the users to view the menus slideshow. Next, we're coming up to the menu page, where I've divided into 2 rows, and each row we have 3 columns. In each 3 column I've divided like coal MD4. So inside that I have placed a 3 card for each column of that. So we have implemented the cards and insert information regarding FitMeal Hub menu and prices. And these cards are actually flexible content that can hold text, images, and buttons. Why are we saying that cards are flexible component? Because they offer a content versatility, allowing text, images, buttons, and forms it to be combined seamlessly. They also a reusable structure makes them suitable for menus, dashboard, product listings, or profiles. In addition, customizable styling enables easy application of colors, shadows, spacing, and alignments to match different themes and branding needs.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Xin Zihai and my matrix number is 1139. Today, I would like to present the PBA of the web design. Okay, first, let's look about the order page. This page will allow customer to order their favorite meal and view the order summary, and the buttons are for user to interact. So next is our promotion page. There will have an FAQ section that will organize the common queries into easy to browse, and also a collapsible panels that improve customer experience and reduce support loads. Okay, next is the technology utilized. So for the structure and the style of the web, we use HTML5 and also CSS3. And for the framework, we use Bootstrap 5.3.8. And for the interactivity between the website and the user, we use JavaScript, jQuery 3.7.1, and also jQuery Mobile 1.4.5 to handle.
Hi, my name is Devendra and my metric number is 10 DIT24F1128. Now I'd like to talk about the role identification. So Qingzihua created 2 pages which are index HTML and promotions HTML and handle the whole CSS to ensure responsive design across both. So next, Kelvin created 2 pages to design layout UI or UX, which are menu HTML and also order HTML. He also completed the JavaScript part for the order summary. And lastly, I myself created 1 page, which is info HTML, and involved in JavaScript for the form validation and did the slide preparation for content.
Okay, next I will continue about the collaborative process and decision making. So our team actually worked collaboratively by first engaging in detailed discussion to understand the project requirements and user needs. We then divided the responsibilities, strategically assigning tasks such as UI design, coding, and testing to ensure efficiency and balanced workload distribution. Throughout the process, we actually maintained an open communication, shared the constructive feedback, and iteratively refined the design to achieve our polished outcome. In terms of decision making, we also consistently prioritize the user-friendly and intuitive navigation, selecting the components based on their functionality, responsiveness, and also alignment with the project goals. All major decisions were actually reached through our group decisions, fostering the consensus and ensuring that every member's perspective was considered. In developing our project, we actually carefully selected the bootstrap components to enhance the usability and maintain a clean interface. So, the navbar was implemented to provide easy navigation across the key sections such as home, menu, info, order, and also promotion. These are the navigation bar have been listed. And the cards we used to neatly display our food items within the menu page, while forms the enable structure user input on the order page. Buttons were incorporated to ensure clear action such as submit and order now. And the grid system was applied to deliver a responsive layout that adapts seamlessly to a different screen sizes. So next, let's jump out to the layout structure decisions. We emphasize the responsive design to accommodate both mobile and desktop users. Content was organized into distinct sections to improve readability and user flow, while the overall interface was kept clean and consistent across all pages to reinforce the professionalism and brand identity. This approach ensured that the site remained intuitive and visually appealing and functionally robust.
Okay, so for the problem solving part, we have the problem one. That's about the complex condition of the order logic. So what's the problem? The problem is the order form total calculation in the order the HTML was not applying the family 10 that the quantity must equal to 5 or bigger than 5 to get 10% discount at the final price, or the promotion code female 10 the quantity must be equals to 10 or higher to 10 to get a free packaging fee. The condition quantity logic is cannot run correctly. Just look at the image. The quantity is 1, and I use the promotion code female 10, and you still get 10% discount with only one quantity. Okay, let's talk about how we solve this problem. So before that, the JavaScript, we only write a simple handle statement. We just handle the promo code and give discount rate. So after that, we restructure the JavaScript if else statement, like adding and quantity must equals of higher than 5 to validate the minimum quantities. So like for the female 10, we add the promotion cost must equals to female 10, and also the quantity must equals or higher than 5 before applying the discount and give the discount rate. So we also add a function that will trigger an error alert if the condition will not meet, like for the female 10, if the user use the female 10 promo code but the quantity is lower than 5, then we will give an error alert to notice the user that the promotion code might require a quantity of 5. Okay, let's talk about the problem 2, layout shift and image uniformity. So on the homepage index.html, the bootstrap carousel was causing a layout shift, and we can look about the image at the left and image to the right. When the image of the left change into the image to the right in the carousel, we can see the image of the right is have a higher height, so it will push push down the content below it. So because the foot image have the different heights in the carousel, so the entire page content below the carousel will jump up and down as the slide change. Let's look about how we solve this problem. So we just use an inline style for the image of the carousel. So we just add like style equals to height is 400 px and the object field is covered. So this can force all the image in the carousel that only have about 400 px of height, and we force all image to fill the container uniformly without stretching or distorting, stabilizing the page layout. So after the fix, as you can see, the foot photo stay at the center and didn't look squash or stretch.
Next, I would like to demonstrate our system. At the top of the page, there is a responsive navigation bar built using Bootstrap. which includes links to home, menu, order, information, and promotions, and also collapsed into a hamburger menu on smaller screens. Below that is the hero section, which serves as the main highlight of the page, featuring a bold heading, Healthy Eating Made Simple, a short description, and two call to action buttons that direct users to explore the menu or place an order. Alongside this, there are statistic cards displaying information such as the number of customers, available meal packages, ingredient quality, and customer ratings to build trust. Moving down, there is a carousel section that showcases popular meals like roasted chicken, salmon, and salads using a sliding image gallery with indicators and navigation controls, making the page more interactive and visually appealing. Next, an alert box is included to display a promotional offer, allowing users to get a discount and dismiss the message if they choose. Following that, there is a card layout section where each card represents a key feature of the website, such as browsing the menu, ordering meals, learning more, and checking promotions, each with a short description and a button linking to the respective page. The website is built using Bootstrap along with jQuery and Bootstrap JavaScript for interactivity, ensuring responsiveness across different devices. Finally, the page ends with a footer that includes the brand name and the copyright information, giving the website a complete and professional appearance. As for the menu page, we included a page hero section with the title Quick Meal Hub Menu and a short description to introduce the menu and attract user attention. The main content of this page is organized using grid layout with bootstrap rows and columns to ensure responsiveness across different devices. Each meal is displayed inside the card component, which includes an image, the meal name, a short description explaining its nutritional benefits, and the price. There is also an Order Now button in each card that directs users to the order page for convenience. The meal showcased include items like roasted chicken, protein-packed salmon, salads, and wraps, all designed to promote healthy eating. The cards are styled with shadows and flexible layouts to maintain a clean and consistent design. After that, as for the information page, the page hero section introduces the page with the title About Fitness Hub. The main content is divided into two columns using Bootstrap's grid system. On the left side, there are multiple card components that present important information, including an About Us section describing the business, an Our Purpose section explaining the mission, and a Contact Details section displaying phone number, email, and address with icons from Bootstrap icons for better visual presentation. On the right side, there is a Contact Us form where users can enter their name, email, and message. This form is connected to a JavaScript function that handles form submission. When the user clicks submit, the script prevents the default form action and performs validation to ensure that none of the fields are empty. If any field is missing, an error message is displayed using a Bootstrap alert. And if all inputs are valid, a success message is shown indicating that the message has been sent. This improves user interaction and provides immediate feedback. Next, for the order page, the page hero section introduces the page with the title Order Fit Meal Specials. The main content of this page is an order form displayed inside a card component where users are required to enter their name, phone number, select their desired meal, specify the quantity, choose a dining option such as dine-in or takeaway, and optionally enter a promotional code. The form is connected to JavaScript for functionality and validation. When the user clicks the Order Now button, the script prevents the default form submission and checks if required fields like name, phone number, and quantity are valid. If any field is empty or incorrect, an error message is displayed using a Bootstrap alert. If all inputs are valid, the system calculates the total cost by determining the selected food price, multiplying it by quantity, applying any valid promotion discounts such as Welcome 15 or Fit Meal 10, and adding a packaging charge for takeaway orders. The final order summary, including subtotal, discount, and total payment, is then displayed dynamically on the page. Additionally, there is a Hide or Show Summary button implemented using jQuery. which allows users to toggle the visibility of the order summary for better user interaction. And finally, for the promotion page, the hero section introduces the page with the title, promotions and deals, along with a short description to attract user attention. Under the title, there is an alert component that highlights a limited time notice, informing users that the promotions are valid until a specific date. The main content of this page consists of promotion card arranged using Bootstrap grid system, ensuring responsiveness across different screen sizes. Each card represents a specific promotion such as a first order discount, bundle savings, and a family pack deal, and includes a brief description, a promo code, expiry date, and an order now button that links directly to the order page. Below the promotions, there's a frequently asked questions section implemented using a Bootstrap accordion, where users can click to expand and view answers to common questions about promo codes, ordering, payment, payment methods, and delivery time. This improves user experience by providing helpful information in a clean and interactive format. Lastly, I would like to talk about the ethics and best practices we applied in our assignments. Firstly, all HTML, CSS, and JavaScript were written by the team from scratch. Secondly, no templates were copied or plagiarized from the other websites. Thirdly, the website design, color scheme, and layout are unique to Fitmail Hub. Lastly, each page was individually built and styled by us. That's all from us. Thank you.